Good morning all. I'm Madhavan from Team 12. This is Kritik, this is Logender, this is Nandini, and we have done a project about application of clippers and clampers. Let's see our project. Good morning all. We are Team 12. We have done a project about application of clippers and clampers. In that we have done a project on application of clippers. So let's see what are the components that have been used in this project. So we are used a breadboard and Arduino. In breadboard we are using IN4007 diode and some resistors. So IN4007 diode is considered as an input that is connected to the A0 pin of the Arduino. So and then we are using a resistor is called as that is connected to the 13th pin of the Arduino. So why are we connecting the resistor to the 13th pin? Because the Arduino is consist of the LED which is notifies that a sine wave is correctly clipping off. So when the LED is blink, so it indicates that a sine wave is correctly clipping off or not. And then we are using IN4007 diode because of it is useful. It is used as a producing sine waves. So by a process called as rectification process. So let's see about the project. So how the code is work means we are using an Arduino IDE software so that we are coding the what are the code that have been implemented in the Arduino, and then using, as I already said, that IN4007 diode has been used so produce a sine wave. We can use any set of waves. We are using as a sine wave here. So we are using a sampling rate of 1000, so the amplitude will become as 1000. So we are clipping the threshold. We are setting as a 700. You can give any such of values according to a wish. So the sine wave have been clipped. So by each as a sine wave of bandwidth can be increase or decrease by adjusting the line number 43. We can adjust the 150 can be adjusted, so you can set any values so that the bandwidth can be increased or decreased. Okay, so now the sine wave is not clipped yet, so the clipping is now is an off condition. You can see that the clipping is in off. So you see that Arduino is not blinked yet. So it means it is it's stable, so it is not in blink. So let's comment that clip on, so that it will the 1000 amplitude is now become 700 when I put clip on command in Arduino software. It will make some few seconds to clip off on the Arduino. Yeah, let's check. Yeah, you can now see the clipping is happened. The 1000 amplitude is now become 700. So main application of our project is mainly used in musical industries. So like different instruments like tabla, piano, the different frequency have been captured and clipped according to the rhythm. So that's all our project. Thank you.